trying to turn the shit way up. Models dancing on posts. Stay up trying to get laid up. Drinking like we all broke. Credit card till it's all out. 30 shots of Patron. Elevated on
YouTube, it's your boy Ace.
And it's your girl Ching.
Man, we are back with another reaction video. Man, what's this one about, Ching?
This is gonna be the most unusual and amazing dog tricks, y'all.
So hold up. Are we talking about like dogs around the world?
Now I'm not sure if we talk about dogs all over the world. I don't know.
Alright, well, we're gonna have to just find out. Let's get straight to it.
Let's get straight to it. Look, Junior. Oh, they hugging, Poo Poo.
That's a nice picture.
Oh, how they know to do that? That's cute. Look, she gonna. Oh, she put her paws on that one. Oh, gee. I used to do that with my dad.
Oh, that's sweet.
That dog put the CD in there, bro.
What the heck?
Dang.
Yo.
The dog crawled up her chest and down her back. Look at Junior. Get the doggy. Get back in. How'd she teach him to do that? That's a human. Aww. Oh, wow. Oh, that's another little dog. Is it a Chihuahua? Or a Pinscher? Oh, wow. Look, oh.
But oh, they doing that little dance. These dogs can dance. Nah, that's it. Oh.
Oh, okay. They cha-chas. They don't.
The dog cha-cha-cha.
Poo Poo, the doggy. Oh, he painting the picture? What's that picture of? He ain't coming off that thing. That's a smart dog. I wish Cookie would do that. That shows that he's not gonna just eat food from everybody.
That was the way.
Well, that dog can clean up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh.
Okay, what's up, dog? These are all her dogs.
Oh wow. That's like a dance move for a dog, right?
That'd be.
He grabbed his tail. Oh yes, I love it. That dog threw that garbage away.
This is crazy. All three of them know how to do it.
Just smart.
Crazy.
That must be a dog that she trained.
These are other dogs.
That don't look like her.
No, these are all the dogs.
I think she trained them all though.
Probably so.
Because that's what she put in the beginning. If for training, for dog training.
She also showing you too though, it could be different dogs. Doesn't matter what type of dog it is.
Right.
They all can be trained. That's crazy, man.
Pretty sweet. Those dogs real smart, that's all I'm gonna say.
All my dogs were trained using progressive reinforcement training. This means teaching by rewarding desirable behaviors. That's just to let you know that all the dogs are trained.
Yes.
So with that being said, that is crazy.
If y'all enjoyed that, make sure y'all like this video because I actually enjoyed that. We're gonna make sure we link that original video down below for y'all. Yeah. That was amazing, y'all. Amazing.
That was pretty sweet.
See all the dogs doing, man. It's amazing. I wish Cookie would do that.
Only we get Cookie to do that. Man.
Only if we could get Cookie. Cookie, can you do that, please?
Yeah. Yeah. So that is probably some. Man, that's probably some long-term training right there. Like, you gotta be really dedicated to your dog.
Well, we dedicated, but you just gotta spend extra excessive time with your pet.
So you got a pet at home, and you always want them to do some type of trick. Just take some time, you know, bond with it.
Yeah. You
just might get some results.
Right.
Other than that, that ends this video.
Yeah.
Remember, it's not 100%. It's 1,000%. So, with that being said, we'll let you in our next reaction video.
See y'all.
Sounds like a lituation. Sounds like a lituation. Sounds like a lituation. Sounds like a lituation. Trying to turn the shit up. Trying to turn the shit way up.